And welcome to the Section 7 of the Indomitus Coast to Coast Challenge, a battle between the two of us to see who can build the contents of the Indomitus Box Set from Games Workshop better. My name's Andrew, and I'm the guy who runs at Plastic Hobbies. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Discord.
All with the same names, right?
Yep, all of them at Plastic Hobbies.
Right on. And I'm Super Macho Jedi Knight at all the above social media networks. And I'm going to win this time.
All right.
I say that every time.
I think you went first last time, right?
Yes.
All right, so I shall go first.
Just so everybody knows, I got affiliate on Twitch today.
Yay.
Woo.
We did the Eradicators. We did all three, right? We did all three of the Eradicators from the Indomitus Coast to Coast Indomitus Challenge Box Set. So we participate in what we call the Indomitus Coast to Coast Challenge. And this was some of my inspiration that I wanted to build. And they started out like this. And I primed the Blood Angel in tan. I primed the two Raptors in gray, and then I can see where I didn't quite smooth out his gauntlet because I shaved off my Raptors. I shave off the eccentricities on the armor.
Oh, I didn't even notice that the last time.
His gloved hand would be, or there's that cross logo that should be on that hand.
Yeah.
And I left it on the Blood Angel. And so he's painted actually in Games Workshop Blood Angel's red contrast. That was my first time using a contrast, and came out pretty okay.
That is a shitload better than most contrasts I see. Oh my God. They just kind of slap it on and call it even.
And
did that say SPQR?
It does.
Nice. The Senate and people of Rome. Nice.
That's exactly what it says.
I love it.
This is the first version of the guy, and then I ended up getting the tip of the barrels a little bit better, but that's what they look like on the first version. And then adding some more highlights. There's 4 layers of highlight on the blue part of the gun. This is when I was switching their Amazon's here. This is when I was switching their I'm not even expecting anything. This is when I was changing over the barrels for the 2 green guys, and some texture on the green guy, and then there's the secondary barrel.
Oof. Did you blend that barrel or just?
Yeah.
Nice. Glaze blending?
Inks.
And
then
I still haven't bothered figuring out how to blend yet.
I gave him some battle damage.
Nice.
And then the only thing I don't like is the purple decals I have, that you can tell the people who made them use the cheap printer.
Yeah.
When you zoom in, you can see all the dots, but you can't from far away. I gave my Raptors some extra pouches, and he's on the white and
because
black,
you've been reading Rob Liefeld comics lately.
On the white and black Raptor logos, those decals look fine, but the purple ones for their job identities, those don't look so hot. There's, I think now we're up to 3 layers of trim on the blue part of the gun.
I thought you weren't going to do edge highlighting this time.
I figured we
had... Or was that a clever lie?
No, I had time. Some close-up of the battle damage. That's like 4 layers on the on just the circular part of the backpack. There's 4 different colors there.
Damn.
The 2 guys next to each other. There's a little Necron coming up to get melted by the
nice.
Blood Angel.
I dig it.
Blood Angel.
Look at you go.
He came out okay. You know what?
Yeah.
And I got to the point where I was just going to screw it up if I did the eye. So I left his eye blank because it's so shadowy that it wasn't worth screwing him
Well,
up.
it looks good to me. It's got that little green in there. I dig it.
And then the base for the Raptors. Oh, I didn't realize there were so many duplicates.
Oh, I didn't even.
What?
I didn't go as far with the weapons. I didn't think of it. It totally blew my mind. I got the greeblies on the arm and the communications on the arm, but I didn't think about. Oh, I even did something with the backpack, but the weapons just passed through my brain.
No, he's out of order, but this is what it looked like before the decals. That's 2 layers of contrast paint, I think, and some of the base black colors.
Excellent. Wow. That heat effect is just wonderful.
Thanks. I was having a lot of fun with it.
Oh boy.
I got to figure out how.
What is that? Oh my god. What did you? Is this a video? Oh yeah, it is. What'd you make that with?
Rush.
I don't know what Rush is.
It's an Adobe.
Wonderful. That's good stuff. What were the colors you used for the heat effect?
Blue and purple over a chrome or a silver.
Oh. These are damn good. You call yourself voice guy now? I didn't even notice that until just this minute. It's awesome. You sacrificed another Necron out of the box for that? Yep. Nice.
I'll have to make up for it when we do that last squad, though.
I'm not going to count numbers against it. Something's up with Instacart, man. I've been waiting hours for their fucking delivery. That was really good. Let me make sure I got everything. Okay, good. So, wow, high quality shit.
Thank you.
Right on.
Trying to step it up a little bit every time.
You're doing it, baby. You're doing it. Are we ready for mine?
Go ahead.
My absolute winners. Share photos. All right. So I am a standard guy because I'm eventually going to play these. So I had to stay with a theme, and that theme was Ultramarines. And I tried to add a little flair to this guy, you know. I really should have done those greeblies like you did. I didn't even think about it, that they could be buttons or indicators. It was just rivets to me. So I'll have to remember that for another time. Then, but I did give them a little flair in that these power joints are now colored instead of being the primary color of the armor. And I think I missed the glowy part, but I think I got the eyes pretty damn precise this time.
They look pretty good.
Yeah.
I like the metal on the joints, because that's a Gravis armor, so it's not like the Primaris or Phobos armor that the regular guys wear. So it looks pretty cool.
And as usual, just a little dirt from the backyard. And I did bore it out, no matter how inaccurate it was.
Excellent. Looks good.
Oh, man, I just noticed that. Oh.
We'll just deduct a point.
Hey, you can deduct another one for the poor decal application.
Oh, it's silvering.
I can't believe I missed that. That drives me nuts. How did I do that?
Brushing.
I did do some edge highlighting again, so I was busy working on that.
Oh, I like that dent.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That was I think that was a molding problem, because that's not where it would have sat on the sprue. So that ends up being good. I get a point back for that.
Oh, you didn't carve that out?
Nope. That was like that. That is a manufacturing defect.
Oh, wow. Hey, way to use it.
I like that little highlight I put on his helmet there, a little in the silver. But I'm ridiculously standard on these things. I did not go crazy with them. All right, same guy. Come on, where's the rest of them? I thought about doing some writing on the purity seals, but then I thought, I'll just make it look terrible and have to rewrite over it. So, yeah, I'm now shamed by your heat effect here.
I told you, and you were the one. You're lucky I don't go back and screen cap the part where you said, "What do you mean purple and blue for heat?"
I think either one of them are pretty accurate, though. It'll depend on the material. I mean, suppose this is a titanium brass hybrid barrel. Huh?
Yeah, I did my red guy with like a burnt gold, but for the green guys, I needed more contrast.
Yeah, I wanted to put ultra on here, but it was just I don't have the tools to get it that precise.
Oh, I meant to tell you when we were building, but all I used was a mechanical pencil that I sharpened.
I was thinking.
I took it, put it at an angle on a piece of paper, made it nice and sharp, put the S. Then I did the same thing, POR. I was trying to think of a 4-letter word, of a 5-letter word, so that I can start in the middle and get it centered. But even though I did it, it ended up getting covered up with the weathering. You can barely see it at the end.
I noticed it though.
I appreciate it. Of course, you also noticed my 2 helmet guy right away. You're very observant.
Oh, damn it.
Oh. Ouch.
Oh, well. I was thinking about getting one of those super fine, like inking pens, but I kept forgetting to try to nail it down.
They look good.
Thanks. I'm gonna have to recenter let's figure out how to center these fucking bore holes there.
Some of mine get really big because I end up, even though I use the X-Acto method to stick it to start a pilot hole and then drill it in, some of them are still off center, so then when I'm evening it out, it just ends up getting so gigantic. Because I'm taking some off the left. Oh, nope, too much off the left. Gotta take more off the right.
And those are mine.